Welcome to Usapang Basic.
We are in
Egypt. Hi guys, to Egypt.
Angkat na ito eh. Ito naman maliit. May lakad din siyang version.
Fairness, maganda naman yung river. Ang kanilang corniche. Kasi lang may mga daanan dito. Di ba?
Hindi mo pinupuno yung bus kasi maraming ano. Hindi po puntahan. Pwede sila pumunta sa Kufu. Ay, narinig din yung password ko.
Ano? Ano lang?
Alam niyo na pag nanako yung cellphone ko. Narinig niyo na na. Baka mamigay ko yung CVV ko.
Nice to meet you.
We're in the pyramid.
Ang dilim friend. Pero ilaw friend. Sige, diretso lang. The light is the guide. Pero may engineering nila dati. Ah, naka-shades pala ako kaya madilim friend. Hindi mo naman in-inform. Oo. How was it there?
Amazing.
It's amazing?
Yeah, it's completely amazing.
Thank you so much.
Better
Thank you.
than amazing.
Better. Thank you. Thank you guys. Guys, kung mataba ka, you cannot enter. Hi guys. Ito na. Dito rin yung babaan.
Totoo. Wait lang. Ayoko na.
Mashallah. You see?
Ito nga yun, friend.
This is so beautiful.
Okay.
Yes.
You got your shot?
Yes.
Yes.
Got it.
Nice. Pagbabalik, friend, maganda na.
How many months in Vietnam?
2 months. Yeah, little only, little.
Tinapay to, friend.
Mga basket na?
Mga na-preserve na pandesa. Joke. So, we're so amazed. It's huge, actually. So, I will just put my mic in here. Yep. So, it's so beautiful. Right? Or the biggest?
We are at
Cairo
Cairo
Tower.
Tower. Woo! It's the tallest tower in
Northern Africa. The pyramid. So me and my cousin, we used to sit on this place. But look how beautiful it is. Wait lang.
napaka-fine dining natin sa
Okay, Shadi, this is the golf cart.
last one.
Yeah, and I hope to see you again.
So ito kakain na nga kami. Dito sa Zuba. It's actually a new Cairo place to be, so
Ang nakakatakot pa rin talaga yung dala.
saan?
Yung sa akin may bulok.
Sa mga gustong gawin. Okay? Hindi na naman tumatao.
Ang nahulog yung mangga.
Hi guys, so we made it. Of course. The basic host.
Yes. Kita yung television din dito. No? Halatang walang laman. Halatang walang laman.
Do you guys want to sit indoor or outdoor?
Can we go indoor? Shisha indoor?
Indoor.
هو ماشي احنا الترابيزه واحده ضمانك ما ينفعش.
Good morning. We're going to have our breakfast here. Come on. Here, sa hotel. Sa Egypt.
AJ. I wanna let you know guys, dami namin pinagdaanan sa immigration. Hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun ka-hassle. Hindi rin naman ganun ka-smooth. It's just tama lang.
Number one tip, bring
Yeah.
cash, USD.
Yeah.
Dollars.
Yeah.
Kamusta ka?
Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Alright guys, finally we're going to the pyramid and syempre birthday ko. So ako yung video. Okay, so guys, parang ayoko na.
Okay mo ako to the front.
Ah. Okay. And the people here are so good, like a lot of stuff. Like look at the dog. Look at the with the lemon cake. With the lemon cake. Cause
Like
It's a mustard Egypt.
yeah.
BGC.
Now we know where's our أهلا وسهلا كده كل سنة وأنت طيب. Welcome to Basic.
Welcome to Basic guys. Ito naman, usapang
Saan? Ano pa?
usapang Egypt tayo ngayon. Natin for today's special episode natin dito sa Egypt.
Syempre,
na
no?
biglang iba yung background natin, di ba?
Of course, ito yung sinasabi natin na kung saan-saan at ano-ano pa.
Correct. Dahil dito ang bawat kwento ay may kwenta.
Yes. So, ang topic natin is about outgrowth.
Outgrowing people, so, healing or you're just distracted, soft life versus hassle life, love, pressure, and life topics itself.
Yes. Parang nakakaano no kasi timely rin tong topic natin. It's very mature.
How do you know that you already outgrew someone? In a way, na parang titignan mo, hindi na nga ata ako. No? Kasi may mga nagsasabi na parang, ang arte mo na nga, nagbago ka na. Pero eventually nga, na-realize ko na nga diba, na growth will always look offensive to people na comfortable lang sa own view.
True.
Kung sino ka lang dati. So parang pag nakita nila may something na pagbabago sa'yo, feeling na nila, alam mo yun, na ay, iba na to. Pero di ba sila natutuwa? Na, di ba may ibang tao kasi parang hindi sila happy na you're doing good.
Yes.
You're growing for something better.
You're doing something better for yourself.
Correct. Kaya nga.
Tama naman yung sinabi mo. Kasi talagang hanga ako dun sa pinagdaan mo. Of course, I'm one of the people who knew you, what you have been.
And you know, diba?
Yeah, about this situation, for example, like, you know, now you're separated with your ex-husband. You're ready to talk about it. This is the first time ever.
Exclusive to, Tito Boy.
Exclusive, yes. Yung parang anong realization mo after that?
Realization ko na
Oo na.
kailangan hindi tayo nagsaseta sa bare minimum. You should always know your worth. About healing in terms of family, are you ready to talk about it?
Sa family, in terms of
Your mom?
my mom,
Yeah.
parang, you know what, it took me a while. At ito yung re-reveal ko na.
Sa exclusive din to, friend.
Exclusive din to.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Basic.
Kung saan-saan at ano-ano pa.
Dahil dito, ang bawat kwento
May kwenta.